What's going on, family? It's your man Miami Patron back in the cut. Actually, my name now was Patron. I switched it up to make it a little bit shorter. But guys, anyways, welcome back. It's been almost a week or so since I made a YouTube video, and the reason I'm making this video here is to give thanks. I went over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to thank you guys so much for this. It's been such a long journey to say the least, guys. So for those of you that don't know, I actually started my YouTube channel a few years ago. I think 4 or 5 years ago. Starting in 2015 is when I made my very first YouTube video when it came to business and stuff like that. I was very awkward back then, but guys, since then it took me a long time to get to this point. I think I've made over 130 YouTube videos to get to the point where I'm at now. Now, that's not to say that's where we're stopping, but it's where we are going into the future. All right, guys, so I love for those of you that have been here from the very beginning, every single business that I have been documenting since I've started, from Amazon FBA to Facebook ads to Shopify to all these different business models that I went ahead and got started with. I've documented every single one of them here, the successes, the failures, and everything like that. And guys, I'm starting to find a little bit of success moving forward. But guys, I want to go ahead and give you guys thanks for following me, subscribing to me in this channel. And guys, more videos to come, more content, because we're gonna keep growing and growing. So thank you guys all for helping me get to $100,000, and we're gonna build a community and do something special. I see you guys next time.